Hey, welcome for the short TX18S repair. I think the TX16 is almost the same. On the TX18S we have this little PCB here. This little PCB is sitting on top here of the radio. There's a little plastic and this is the charge port. And mine stopped working, and it not just only stopped, it has a short. And yeah, weather was good, I had no time, so I removed always the battery and charged it, but yeah, that's so complicated. And today I found a little time, and the problem was not that hard to find. Let me move my radio away. So this is the PCB, and over here, let me switch the hand. I'm sorry for the video, but I'm doing this as a quick repair video with my smartphone. We have here 3 caps. 1, 2, 3. I show you also a picture in big. We have 22 microfarad, 22 microfarad, 1 microfarad. And this is the charge controller, this 8-pin. And all 3 on mine were shorted. All 3. 3 caps, all 3 shorted. And then, yeah, you plug in the 5-volt USB and it was instant shorted. The LED, this one here is a little LED, normally is light up, and yeah, it was off. So yeah, that was my first indicator that it is a short. And I have a little USB tester. I'm sure you have seen them. Let me show them to you. It's this little device here, and it's super handy because you can see the amps on the USB, and I plugged it in and it rebooted. That was the second indicator for a short. Okay, to make it short, if you have the same problem, look with your multimeter, simple multimeter in ohms mode, in resistance mode. Measure pin to pin, and if they are shorted, you have your problem. I remember 2 times 22, 22, 22, 1 microfarad. So that was the problem on mine. The diodes, the big inductor and the big cap, they are fine on mine. So if you have a problem, look for the caps. There are another cap and resistors, so maybe this cap could also a problem. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope I helped with a quick repair, and enjoy driving, flying, whatever you do with your lovely radio. Bye, see you.